became a doctor, you pledged to serve patients when they need you most. Every day, the doctors face multiple challenges, which require special healthcare solutions to value their time, safety, and efforts. Tebcom, a closed-loop teleconsultation app, brings virtual private clinic for doctors. Tebcom's mobile app allows doctors to schedule and carry out online sessions with their patients across the globe. This means that you can attend to your patients and earn a steady income where it is convenient, including the comfort of your home. The process to register on the platform is simple. Download and install the app, subscribe to one of our plans, set your schedule, and invite your patients by sending a link over WhatsApp, SMS, email, or even using your own QR code to attract new patients across the globe through special marketing to your own virtual clinic. After a patient accepts your invitation, they can view the available slots on your profile and book an appointment for a live chat or video consultation. You will be notified about the appointment, and once the time arrives, a session can be initiated. All details such as chat history, attachments, and duration will be saved to follow the patients at any time and anywhere. As a doctor, your time is valued. Your quality of life matters. With Tebcom, your personal time remains personal, and you can set aside your professional timings. Tebcom, save your time, enjoy your life. Your online medical community.